Hi friends, my name is Yash and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video topic is about introduction to Kubernetes. So let's start the session. So I created some Google slide for this session. So let's start. First we want to understand the problem. Okay. So this is a developer and he created two applications like application 1 and application 2, and this application contains three sections like front end, back end and database. So developer creates container of this section, container 1, container 2 and container 3, and same thing, same scenario for this application also. Okay. And there are many containers. Okay. So developer has difficulty to manage this amount of containers. So developers needs any tool for to manage these containers efficiently. So Kubernetes is a tool for that purpose. Okay. So first we want to see the definition of Kubernetes. So Kubernetes is a container orchestration tool that was open source by Google in 2014. So Kubernetes is a container management tool, and that was created by Google and open source by Google in 2014. It automates the main task of software development like deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Okay. Uh, it helps ensure that your application run reliably and efficiently across a cluster of machines. Okay. So why we use Kubernetes? So Kubernetes is mainly used for scalability. uh, Kubernetes automatically scale up and scale down our application on based on demand. Okay. So Kubernetes has access to scale up our application or scale down our application as a traffic. Okay. As a traffic of users. Second point is automation. Kubernetes handles deployment, update, and rollbacks of application without manual intervention. Okay, it handles the main task of applications like deployment, updates, and rollbacks. Updates for a security purpose. Okay. Third point is portability. So Kubernetes is a very portable tool. Yeah, it works on different environments like on premises, cloud, or hybrid. Okay. So on premises is physical servers like a physical infrastructure. Cloud is a virtual infrastructure. Okay. And hybrid is a combination of on premises and cloud. Okay. Fourth point is orchestration. Kubernetes simplify the management of containers. It very much simplify the management of containers, networking part of application, and storage. Okay. Kubernetes helps developers and operators focus on building and maintaining application without worrying about infrastructure complexity. Okay. Now Kubernetes has many features, many good features. Okay, but I like this feature, and this feature is very much important and very much useful in a real time and a production level application. So let's learn about that. Um, Kubernetes auto healing is like a self repairing system for your application. Kubernetes check if your container are healthy. It uses probes to see if they are running and ready to handle requests. Um, if a container fails, then Kubernetes fix it automatically. Kubernetes start restart our container or remove it from a service to prevent problems. Okay, I give you an example of that. Like if I have a application container and that container fails, then Kubernetes it restart our container, and my container is completely fail, completely off, or completely unavailable. Then Kubernetes automatically remove the remove our container and creates new one, okay, and add to a service, okay. This keeps your application running smoothly. You don't have to manually fix issue, and this feature saving time of developers also, okay. Auto-healing makes your Kubernetes cluster more reliable and efficient, okay. This was a last slide of this session. So that was it for today's session. If you you can like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I will create more content on Kubernetes also. So please subscribe to my channel. And that was it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.